In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in LOreal account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in LOrealParisUSA.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of L'Oreal. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to log into your account, click on the profile icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface of L'Oreal. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can also create a new account by signing up with email. Or if you already have the account, all you have to do is enter your email address and password and you'll be able to sign in. First of all, click on the field of email address. Now enter the email address associated with your account over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forgot your password, and you'll be able to reset it. Or if you already remember the password, simply enter the password. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your L'Oreal account. So that is how you log in L'Oreal account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.